You want a beautiful moist turkey this year? Try this recipe. After washing the bird with vinegar and water, pat dry, then rub down with lime juice. Remember to add some on the inside as well. Make a dry rub with the seasonings on the left and rub onto the bird, and remember to sprinkle some on the inside as well. Stuff the cavity with onion, bell pepper, celery, thyme, garlic, and the lime halves after squeezing the juice out. Allow to set in the refrigerator overnight. Before baking, remove the lime halves, then allow the bird to come to room temperature before baking. Bake breast side up uncovered for an hour, then turn over and bake for another hour on the middle rack. Rub garlic butter all over the bird, then bake uncovered for 10 minutes, then bake covered for 10 minutes. Allow to rest covered for 20 to 30 minutes before cutting. Then you will have yourself a happy turkey. God bless you and happy cooking.